Schulte Industries is committed to providing the best products and service to our customers in the commercial and agricultural mowing business. This presentation will enable you to select the right blade for your cutting application with the 15-foot Schulte cutters. Our commitment to quality and value extends to the Schulte blades, which meet the blade ductility test according to the ASABE S483.1 standard. The ductility test determines how much the blade can deform before failure occurs. All Schulte blades are made of 5160 spring steel and strengthened through a scientific hardening process which increases the impact strength of the blade. The chamfering process done to all Schulte blades provides a smooth transition of surfaces around the high-stress blade bolt hole edge. Schulte blades are 100% shot peened to induce beneficial compressive surface stresses over the entire length of the blade, enhancing ductility and extending the fatigue life of the blade. The cutting edge of the Schulte blade is forged as opposed to milled. Forging makes the edge stronger, tougher, and thereby extends the life of the blade in abrasive conditions while reducing edge deformation. There are 4 blade options for use on the 15-foot cutters. Specific blade numbers for each option are defined in the table at the end of this presentation. The super updraft blade is designed with an uplift surface inclined at 14 degrees. The super updraft blade provides a cleaner cut at a faster forward cutting speed and at a higher than normal cutting height when needed. This blade does an excellent job of picking up grass that is laying down or pressed down in tractor wheel tracks. The application ranges from light to heavy conditions in grass and grassy type materials. This blade is capable of cutting up to 4-inch diameter vegetation. This blade is not recommended where scalping conditions occur due to uneven ground, molehills, or where conditions include solid brush. Scalping happens when the cutting edge of the blade makes contact with sod or ground. The inclined surface of the blade will pull the blade tip into the sod and ground. Scalping will increase the load put on the clutches and drive lines. Because of its performance, the super updraft blade is the one most favored by our customers. The standard updraft blade is designed for use where scalping and grounding out conditions occur. Because the blade incline is less than the super updraft, scalping is reduced, which translates to less load on the clutches and drive lines. Cutting performance is maintained with a raised portion of the blade. Cutting conditions include a significant amount of solid brush. We recommend that the brush blade is used. This will prevent deformation of the updraft blade. The brush blade is intended for use where standing or fallen brush is present. Brush should not be more than 4 inches in diameter. The shredder blade has a cutting edge on both sides, so it can be used with either rotation. The shredder blade can be used in combination with the super updraft blade or the standard updraft blade. Either combination will chop the product into smaller pieces so that natural decomposition takes place more rapidly. The shredder blade will be the top blade and the updraft will be the bottom blade. The super updraft blade is recommended for use with the shredder blade. Typical application for the shredder blade is cutting crop residue. When installing the shredder blade, be sure to use the 251-203 kit, which includes a special blade bolt. For the text version of this video, please go to the Schulte website at www.schulte.ca and click on the Technical Information tab.